Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, CPI FOMC is over. Numbers came hot and this was the result. Massive green candle on DXY, and you can easily imagine, or if you're watching Euro USD, then probably you saw the big candles on Euro USD, GBP USD and others. So this is the current market scenario. US stocks tumble, yields jump as hot CPI dashes rate cut hopes. Market was expecting rate cuts in the month of June. So you can see US stocks drop and the benchmark 10-year treasury yield hit its highest level since November after the US CPI rose more than expected in March. That make it less likely that the Federal Reserve will kick off a rate cutting cycle in June as was previously hoped. Traders are now pricing in a roughly 50-50 probability of rate cuts starting in July. So fundamentals are pushing dollar index to the upside, so pressure may remain on Euro USD and GBP USD. So let's look at the chart of DXY first. Dollar index made a high of 105.30, and after that it is showing some retracement, which is pretty normal. And we can see that dollar index is at present trying to take support around the resistance. That means the previous resistance is acting as support right now. So if market bounces from here, again we will get to see pressure on Euro USD, GBP USD and others. And if the retracement continues, my dear friend, then we have 104.95 and 104.75 as the two next support for DXY from where it may bounce. So plan your trades accordingly. Okay, now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. So my dear friends, for the last few days, weeks, okay, Euro USD was forming lower highs, which was showing that market is under pressure. New sellers were coming in, but yesterday we saw that Euro USD was trying to recover. We saw a change in the structure of the markets. Euro USD was forming higher highs, but the CPI numbers, change the direction of Euro USD again. So we can clearly see that selling pressure is there, not only on Euro USD as well on GBP USD as well. And yesterday when the fall came, ultimately they came to support, and right now Euro USD is struggling around the support. So if you have any sell position on euro dollar, be on the trade, because further upside on DXY is possible and the fall on euro USD is possible. Okay, so if you have a sell on euro USD, continue with your sell. But if you're stuck with a buy position, then you need to be careful. Whenever you see some sort of temporary recovery on euro USD, try to exit, because if market falls, okay, then it may be a big fall. Euro USD may fall towards 1.0700, 1.0600. Okay, so what are the trading opportunities there? So when the fall came, Euro USD took support around the level of 1.0740, sorry, 1.0720 that we have been discussing for the last few days. And the support is still very much valid. Okay, but considering, okay, listen to me carefully, considering the present selling pressure and ongoing market sentiment, it is better to look for sell on rise. Okay, it is better to look for sell on rise. So here we can look for sell around two levels, 1.0785 to 90, and then 1.0800 to 1.0805. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell, because right now Euro USD is trying to recover during the day. Okay, if market shows recovery also, okay, we can look for a sell around this area. And if you have taken a buy, okay, if you have taken a buy around this area, try to exit around these two levels, because around these two levels Euro USD will be facing selling pressure again. You must be wondering why. That let me show you. We are using Fibonacci here. You can see we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level around 1.0785 to 90, and then we have Fibo 50% retracement around 1.0800. Apart from that, you can see 1.0800 is a round number psychological level, as well as the previous support will be working as resistance. So in this market scenario, especially before the US session, chances are very little that Euro USD will be able to break 1.0800. So considering all the reasons, we can definitely look for a sell around this area if market reverses. After all, market is full of surprises. So if you see the market is going up, switch to a lower time frame to observe the market behavior. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. And if the recovery is very weak, okay, if the recovery is very weak, then market will reverse from here only. You can see we also have a level around 1.0765. okay, I'm not talking about that because it may break. Okay, but if you want to take a sell, that's your personal call, but I think we may get a sell opportunity around these two areas. And one more thing that we can clearly see on the chart of Euro USD is that we have a bearish flag as well, and it's a trend continuation pattern. So if DXY continues the upside, definitely, okay, market will break 1.0720 and market will start going down. Okay, but the problem is that Euro USD, okay, Euro USD just standing at a support. Okay, so taking a sell at support can be a little bit risky. So if you see that DXY is really bullish, then you can look for a sell. Otherwise taking a sell below 1.0700 is ideal, because 1.070020 is a good support. Okay, good support means we have good buyers present around this area. So Euro USD will not surrender that easily. So if you find Euro USD going below 1.0700 with big red candles, means selling pressure is really high. Strong sellers are present and you can look for a sell. So though we have a bearish flag, but still you need to be careful because market is standing at support. Support means there are buyers and there will be a battle between buyers and sellers. Okay, and if Euro USD shows temporary recovery during the day, then you can look for sell around 1.078590, 1.0800 levels. Okay, and one more thing you need to keep in mind, you can see we have news coming up, ECB interest rate decision. So market may be volatile, and when the fundamentals, the news will be dominating the market, try to follow the trend of the market. Levels will not work. Doesn't matter whether you're trading a stocks, forex, commodities, doesn't matter. When fundamentals dominate, technicals do not work. So as a trader, you need to be flexible. And during the US session, we have initial job data coming up, so market will be volatile again. Be careful. And this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD, British pound, US dollar in front of us. We can see a similar story here as well. After the big fall, GBP USD came to support and right now trying to show some recovery. Here also we have a similar scenario during the day, especially before the US session. If GBP USD tries to recover, we can look for sell considering the ongoing market sentiment. Here also we have used Fibonacci and we have also added some spice in the form of price action. Okay, so the first level that is in front of us is around 1.2565. Here we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level, and the previous support will be working as resistance. And then you can see we have levels around 1.2592, 1.2600. The black line that I have drawn here, FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, you can see the previous support will be working as resistance. Then we also have a third resistance around 1.2615. So these are the three levels where we can look for sell during the day. And if the recovery is weak, I don't think so market will be able to break 1.2600. In that case, we can look for sell around these two levels only. So once you will see market is going up and market have entered the zone, okay, switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. Confirmation is important. Okay, confirmation is like insurance for traders. So once you'll see the market is struggling around 1.2565, market is showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. Okay, and similar to Euro USD, GBP USD also closed at support, though we have a bearish flag here as well, but taking a sell, simply looking at the flag can be a little bit dangerous, risky. So if you see DXY is really bullish, then only hit the sell button on GBPUSD, because we have good buyers present around this area. If you zoom out the chart, you can see market taking support around this area multiple times. So they will not surrender that easily until and unless the volume of sellers is very high. Okay, so be careful. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and press the like button if you have liked the video.